How to clear a paper jam on your Epson EcoTank ET-2803 printer. In case you're having the paper jam error, what should you do? Well, step number one is to lift this panel completely. This will give us a better look. Put your finger through this gap and pull down the panel. Right now you have access to the internals of the printer. So I suggest you take a deep look over here. There's a good chance that there is some paper or at least something blocking the print heads from going left to right, because this thing over here is swinging left to right when it's printing. And if it encounters a blockage, something in the way, it will stop and it will give you the paper jam, error. So take a look. You can lift this slightly here and there's a good chance, okay, something is there. Take a pair of tweezers or with your fingers, go ahead and remove it. This is the easiest way to find a paper jam. Otherwise, you can also pull this paper output tray, and over here sometimes there's paper that can get stuck in these rollers. So again, remove if you see the paper. Same thing with the paper input. Remove all the paper, open the small trap and take a look inside. Sometimes you see this roller over here will take your paper misalign. It will enter crooked inside of the printer and it will cause a paper jam. So with a pair of tweezers, because it's quite deep there, you can remove your paper jam, your paper that is stuck there. Once you have removed the paper, no matter where it was, I suggest you unplug the printer. So pull the cord, wait around a minute and plug it back. Then power it on and the error will disappear this way. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if this was helpful. Leave a comment if you think about something I can improve. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.